Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, stock number 6908. This ran from the 2nd 2014 to 11th 2022. It has a KL 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is a 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory on the mega tyre. Left front guard, 1 dent. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory on the mega tyre. Left hand tail light, rear tailgate. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory on the mega tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror, right front guard. Right front 18-inch factory on the mega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,